Short answer is no, you couldn't. Public liability lawyer here. So a lot of the comments are saying that he could sue for negligence. Unfortunately, that's not correct. If he was to try to sue for negligence, the main thing he'd have to prove is that there was some kind of injury or damage to his property. Unfortunately, in this case, nothing actually occurred to him. Now, had that landed on him, say he was still turned around and hadn't noticed, then there would potentially be an argument for negligence. The main thing would be whether or not the actual injury was foreseeable and whether or not the gym should have been able to do something about it. Now, as a lot of the comments point out, the rack itself could have been bolted down to the floor, in which case that would have prevented this from occurring. As it's usually standard practice, that would be a pretty strong argument. In this case, though, they would also have an argument to say that there's potential improper use of the rack itself with the amount of weight that was put on it and its position. So there's also an argument for some contributory negligence, potentially.